Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to go demonstrate and go over laser level. This is by Dovoh or Devoh or something like that. I believe it's Dovoh. And this is a laser level. It goes horizontal, vertical. It comes with the instructions, of course, and it comes with a couple mounts. You know, like if you're hooking it to a fence or something like that. It also has a tripod of sorts where you can lift it up and lower it if you're trying to get a specific height, which is a good idea. And so what we're going to do is I have a project that I really need to get done. What's going on? Okay, what I discovered is this has got to be somewhat level, because otherwise it'll beep, beep, beep. That's what it was doing. I couldn't figure out why. Sun went behind the clouds. Okay, we're up here 7.5. So that's where we want to be. 7.5. So I'm gonna go out here. I can still see it. Still see it. Harder and harder to see. Okay, I can see it right up to here, and it's just starting to get away from me. Got this for now. It's pretty close. I got to work the sides in because there's more dirt up over there and there's more over here. But I'm still going to have a little bit of a swale because of the water coming off the downspout. So it's going to work out pretty decent. So let's go show you how it's supposed to be used. So this shows the walls looks pretty level through there. Okay, it's set up over there, and it is running a line all the way over here. So yeah, looks like I put this in pretty level. This Dovoh Laser Level is a good laser level for inside. If you're hanging shelves, you put it up on a tripod and get it about even where you want. You can set this up there and get it close, you know, with the fine adjustments or however you want to do this. It does have an extra mount or another mount. It's got clamps on there. You can clamp it to whatever, and then it's also got a place where you can hang it on like a picture frame hanger or something like that. So if you're hanging a bunch of pictures, you can get them all leveled up. So, you know, this will set on there pretty decent. So that's going to be it for me for today on the review of the Dovoh Laser Level. Like I said, it works great inside, outside not so much, unless it's kind of dark out, and then you can make it work. So another project done in my house. I don't have to worry about the water coming back in the crawl space again for this next spring. So anyhow, hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we'll see you on the next one.